Andu a family na arata muhuri biacara, murimi njorua na muthaki wa mubira wa golf Lawrence Nginyo Kariuki marokire mochari-ini ya Ali kuria mwiri wake ukoretwo. Na thutha ucio moha thabari kinyagia St Benedictine Tigoni Kiambu kuria igongona ria mathiko rihaririirio. Ndumiriri ya President Uhuru Kenyatta uria ni murata wa family ya Nginyo ithomirwo ni munene wa watho bururi-ini Kihara Kariuki.
Uyu ni mundu njamba utange guthirwo ngo. Maundu maria His Excellency mekite na muthuri uyu gutire yuraga hindi akariganirwo. Atongoria angi hamwe na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga magitugiria wirutiri wa Nginyo kuiguithania nduriri cia bururi. Odinga akiuga uyu niguo muthingi wa ngeithi ciake na president.
That we change course so that this country can be able to move forward and to develop much faster.
We would sit, and one of his key questions was, what do you really want for this country?
To unite this country, to build bridges of friendship and brotherhood.
Uniting means accommodating other voices, even dissenting voices.
Na alikuwa anatupatia begu za terere, twende tukapande kule kwa wale ambao wana njaa.
Nginyo aroikaine na kuhura biacara, atongoria ya makigathiriria kio giake na gukorwo arari muhari-ini wa mbere kumurika ungumania.
If you talk about hustler, Nginyo Kariuki is truly somebody who deserves to be called a hustler.
Huyu mzee hakupenda ufisadi. He was a self-made man.
Uyu ndangioya ona mbini ya mundu. Etikitie uria ibuku ria Ngai riugite kuria thithino ya wira wa moko make. Uyu
tutasema tumempoteza mmoja wetu ambaye tunafaa kumuiga.
So let's live up to the spirit of this great man and bring Kenya together, and I know it can be done.
I think this is a legacy of people like Muzee, who was always preaching development, development, development.
He would have wished to see empowerment of our people.
Nginyo niwe mwanjiriria wa muthako wa golf bururi-ini kuma kuri Nyakeru, na riu athaki a ngucanio ino maroria thirikari cia kaunti ciikirire muthako uyu. Governor wa Kiambu James Nyoro akiranira gutugiria riri wa kiharo kia golf kia Dumberi kiria kianjiriirio ni Nginyo. Nginyo acokire guthikwo gwake mucii o kuu Tigoni. Kuma kwandikwo wira wa kwenja njwiri-ini Nyakeru gutuika mwendia wa maguru makuru ma ngari, na mwisho gutuika umwe wa huri ya biacara ng'uu thiini wa bururi na gucangira wonjoria wa bururi na mieke ya mawira. Ino no imwe ya ngumo cia mutigairi Lawrence Nginyo Kariuki. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Tigoni Limuru kauntini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.